Raspberry lemon drop. You're going to muddle all your lemon and citrus cocktails after you taste this. It's really good. The dried raspberries from I used Trader Joe's really made a difference. It tastes like fresh once they're muddled. Okay, I use a shot and a half of vodka, the vegan kind, a half shot of triple sec, cupful of ice, 3 or 4 lemon wedges, and those dried raspberries. I reserve some for the end for a little garnish. Muddle them up really good. That muddling is really important. Squeezes out some of that lemon oil. You're going to love that in this drink. After you've muddled it, then I add the vodka so you don't bruise the vodka. And then you shake it, strain it, garnish it, and serve it. This is a great way to make margaritas too. Muddling lime in a margarita, it's the best. Please like and follow or subscribe if you like this.